The Little Red Bird and the Storm. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there lived a little red bird named Ruby. She was small but full of courage. Ruby loved to fly high in the sky and sing songs to her forest friends. One day, dark clouds filled the sky. A strong storm was coming. All the animals rushed to their homes. But Ruby was far away from her nest. She had to find shelter quickly. She flew from one tree to another, but the wind was too strong. Then, she saw a small cave in a hill. Inside the cave was a scared baby squirrel, shivering in fear. Ruby said, "Don't worry. We are safe here." She sat beside the squirrel and sang a soft song. The squirrel smiled and felt brave. The storm passed after a while. The sun came out, and a beautiful rainbow appeared. Ruby and the squirrel came out of the cave and smiled at the sky. From that day, they became best friends. Ruby learned that even in scary times, kindness and courage can make everything better. Moral: bravery and kindness can brighten any stormy day. The journey of a little apple. Once upon a time, in a big green orchard, there was a small apple tree. On one of its branches grew a tiny apple. This apple was shiny and red, and it dreamed of going on a great adventure. Every day, the apple watched the birds fly and the wind blow through the trees. It wondered what was beyond the orchard. One sunny morning, a little girl came to the tree. She saw the bright red apple and picked it carefully. The apple felt excited. It was finally going somewhere.